Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn how to install and set up PyIceberg, which is the Python library for working with Apache Iceberg tables. PyIceberg gives us a Pythonic way to interact with Iceberg tables, making it easier for data scientists and engineers to work with this powerful table format. Let's start by setting up a clean virtual environment for our PyIceberg installation. This is always a good practice to keep our dependencies isolated. I'll type these commands in the terminal to show you the process step by step. First, let's create a virtual environment using Python's built-in module. We can write as Python 3, this is our version, installation version, then hyper-env, and now the name of virtual environment. This command creates a new virtual environment. Now, let's activate this environment, which we can do with source command and the path of the activate file. You'll notice that your command prompt now has the name of the virtual environment as Iceberg, 5env at the beginning, indicating that the virtual environment is active. Any Python packages we install now will be isolated to this environment. Now, let's install PyIceberg. We'll include some optional dependencies to make it more useful. The Sklite Extra will let us use Skolite as a backend for the catalog, and pyarrow is needed for efficient data handling. Using pip command, you'll see pip downloading and installing PyIceberg and its dependencies. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection. Great! Now PyIceberg is installed in our virtual environment. Let's check our current directory to see where we are using pwd command. I see we're in a general location. Let's create a specific directory for our Iceberg experiments and navigate to it. We can create it anywhere where we want. Now, I'm in my home directory. Let's create a new directory for our Iceberg work using mkdir command, Iceberg installation, and navigate into it using cd command. Now we're in our working directory. For PyIceberg to work properly, we need to set up a catalog. The catalog is responsible for tracking the tables and their metadata. Let's create a directory for our catalog as mkdir iceberg_catalog. Now, we need to create a configuration file for PyIceberg. This file tells PyIceberg where to find the catalog and how to connect to it. We'll create a file called .pyiceberg, YAML. In our current directory, this is hidden file here which we creating . In this file, we'll add the following configuration. Now let's add the catalog's name with local configuration and using Sklite. Here we have URI and warehouse file and folder location. This configuration tells PyIceberg to use a catalog named local that uses a SQLite database stored in iceberg_catalog folder and a Sklite DB file as catalog.db and to store data files in the Iceberg catalog directory. Now let's test if our setup works by writing a simple Python script that connects to the catalog. Let me open a Python session in terminal and type. Let's first import OS and set up an environment variable path for Iceberg home as current directory. Next, import load catalog from Iceberg catalog package. After this, we can use the local catalog and create an object using load catalog method as catalog equal to load catalog and name is local in parameter. If there are no errors, it means our PyIceberg installation is working correctly. Now that we have Iceberg installed and a catalog configured, we're ready to start creating and working with Iceberg tables.